Hello everybody, it's Lisa from JoyfullyArt, back again. First off, I want to show you my painting from my last video. It was a 2-cup open pour. Turned out really pretty, but I wanted to do some more to it, so I did some different shapes on it. I think it looks pretty good. Can either do it either way, but I think it looks really nice. I like how it came out. There was that one. Okay, now we'll get on to the next. These are two 6x6, and I'm going to try and do a reverse flower. Never tried it before, so I'm going to give it a good try. And these canvases have a deep edge, so I've already painted the edges white, so that it won't take, I'll be sure and get it all covered. So I'm going to start with white on the canvas. And you know me, naturally I forgot my spreader. Reach over here and grab it real quick. Get these things going. That way I know that my sides will be covered good. Since I already painted them, I won't have to worry about it. Do the next one. Spread it out a little bit. There won't be drips. My colors today are Deco Art, Phthalo Bread, Winsor Newton, Cat Orange Hue, Art Deco, Primary Yellow, Latex Basic, Naples Yellow, and Deco Art, phthalo Green Yellow, and then white, of course. So let's try and get on with this. See how it turns out. I'm not sure about it, but I'll give it the best I can. Can do one at a time here. On the inside. Looks like my orange is kind of disappearing. Yep. Yellow's a little clogged. Come out of there. Grab something really quick. See if I can get this unclogged. Don't want to have, should have checked this before. Haven't used it for a while. that should work, I hope. There we go. Sorry about that. Maybe I'll get a different color for the other one. This one doesn't seem to want to play fair with us. Okay. That one's a no-go. Hands wiped off some. And we'll do the Naples yellow. Okay. And then we have phthalo green, and I'm going to try and do a couple little leaves. There we go. Okay, now take a paper towel. I don't know if it's supposed to be wet or not, but we're going to try it not wet. So let's lay it down gently. And don't put your hand in the other paint. And then it's supposed to kind of pat it very gently. So it makes connection everywhere, I guess. Please don't laugh at me at home if it looks funny, because I've never done it. And I can always paint over it. Now we're supposed to take the corners. One corner at a time, and then this one, and then this one, and then this one. Try and get them all up in the middle. Now that's not too bad. How about that? That doesn't look too awfully bad. And I know we're going to get rid of this yellow. And let me grab a different color. That is not doing well at all. Here we go. How about DecoArt Primary Magenta? So let's start off with our orange again. Hopefully it won't give out on me. The red is really prominent. Red always takes over. Get our primary magenta. Kind of wonky for a flower, isn't it? That's all right. Beauty is in the eye of the beholder. Isn't that what they say? Let's try a little one here. This flower kind of got out of control. We'll just do 2 of those. Another towel. And we will try this one. Here we go. Let's hope for the best. Get it all patted down. There we go. Little song on the way. I could not believe it. My husband got up this morning. I was still kind of lounging in bed. He said that the ground was covered with snow. I said, you got to be kidding me. I got up, and it was. The ground was covered with snow, and it was still snowing. It just stopped. It's like 1 o'clock here, and it just stopped about an hour ago. It stopped snowing. I cannot believe it. This weather has been so weird. Guess it doesn't matter. We all have to stay inside anyway, so might as well do what it's gonna do. Okay. Corners. Here we go. Cross your fingers. Can't get hold of the corner. Okay. Come on now. Don't be wonky on me. Get these corners up. Here. And here. And then we just pull. All right. I really kind of like this. They look pretty darn good. Get my stick wiped off. I think I'll use the other end though. Let's see if we can make some lines. Make them look a little bit more flowery there. I like that curl in the middle. There we go. How about that? I'm pretty proud. I'm pretty proud of myself. Close up of this one. And a close up of this one. Looks pretty darn good, I think. I hope that you enjoyed this. And I hope that you all will please subscribe to my channel. And I hope you're all being safe. Share with your friends and family, please. Give me a thumbs up. And if you hit the bell next to the subscribe button, you'll be notified when I put up a new video. I sure appreciate all the subscribers that I do have. When I reach certain milestones of my subscribers, I will be doing giveaways. So keep that in mind. Everybody stay safe. And as always, please have a great day.